Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan CL 2.0 TDI M6F with all the bells and whistles you could ask for. This sleek grey estate boasts a powerful 2-liter diesel engine and features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and even Android Auto CarPlay. With safety in mind, it also includes lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. On top of that, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on how you can drive away in style and safety.